Welcome to QuizPulse. Today we're going to do a Gen Z slang quiz. Let's see how many Gen Z acronyms you know. Before starting the video, please like the video and subscribe our channel for more fun quizzes. Let's begin. First acronym. What does FR mean? For real. What does IDK mean? I don't know. What does this acronym stand for? Not gonna lie. Do you recognize this acronym? To be honest. What does LOL mean? Laugh out loud. Any idea what OMG means? Oh my god. Do you know FYI? For your information. Can you figure out BTW? By the way, what does POV mean? Point of view. Have you seen IYKYK before? If you know, you know. What does Riz mean? Charisma or ability to attract someone. Do you know this one? FOMO, fear of missing out. Can you guess? GOAT. Greatest of all time. What is YOLO? You only live once. Ever seen LMK? Let me know. What about DM? Direct message. Do you recognize FTW? For the win. Can you guess GRWM? Get ready with me. Any idea what PIN means? Personal identification number. Last one. What does ASAP mean? As soon as possible. How many acronyms did you guess correctly? If you want Gen Alpha slang now, leave a comment, go ahead and take the gift challenge now.